Hello everybody and welcome back to Sweet Cheat Sheets. Soft, spiced and effortlessly good. Today we're making apple muffins that check every box. So let's begin. The first step in making an apple muffin is prepping the apples. And here's our lineup for the filling, straightforward and delicious. I'm using Pink Lady apples here. They're softer and sweeter. If you prefer Granny Smith, just add a little extra sugar. And with the peel gone, we're ready for slicing and dicing. An apple slicer makes prep easy, but if any core sticks, just cut it out by hand. Dice the apples into neat little cubes, perfect for folding into the batter. It's time to build up the flavor. White sugar for sweetness, brown for a deeper caramel flavor. I'm adding the butter now so it coats the apples and melts everything together. Lemon zest for brightness and freshness. For spices, I chose cinnamon, salt, and a touch of ginger for warmth. A squeeze of lemon juice keeps the apple fresh and balances the sweetness. And finally, a drizzle of honey. In Jewish tradition, honey is a symbol of a sweet and prosperous new year, which makes these muffins a beautiful choice for Rosh Hashanah. But truly, they're a treat worth enjoying all year round. Cook the apples on medium-high heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. As they simmer, the kitchen fills with the warm scent of apple, spice, and honey, like a holiday in the air. Know they're ready once the apples are soft, glossy, but still holding their shape. Then strain the apples out of the pan and let them cool down completely. Now let's mix up our batter. We'll start with our dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and a good shake of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix and then we're ready for our wet ingredients. Starting with milk, oil, and 1 egg. Now just whisk everything together until the batter is smooth and combined. The batter should be silky, thick, and smooth all the way through. Now fold the apple filling into the batter. We're looking for a thick, even mixture with apples in every bite. This is our last step before everything comes together, the crumb topping. It's just flour, sugar, cinnamon, and butter. Mix until the butter is fully worked in and the texture is sandy with little clumps. That's what gives a muffin their sweet, crunchy finish. Now it's time to bring everything together, starting with placing our molds. Fill each mold about 3/4 full so they rise evenly without spilling over. And now for the best part, the sweet crunchy crumb on top. This will bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then we'll lower the heat to 180 Celsius and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. And here they are, soft, spiced apple muffins with that golden crunchy crumb. Perfectly baked, tender inside, with just the right amount of sweetness. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit that bell button, and make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one.